Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Wiwi Talk Pod, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Justin.
Hello, Justin. Hello, everyone. It is wonderful to be here today with all our friends listening at home, at work, or maybe on the bus.
Before we talk about today's topic, we have a small request.
Yes, we do. If you are listening and you like our podcast, please click the like button, a big thumbs up.
Yes, please do. And if you are new, welcome. Please subscribe to Wiwi Talk Pod.
It helps us so much, and please share this podcast with a friend who is learning English.
Exactly. Now, Amelia, you look very happy today, but also a bit thoughtful.
You are right, Justin. I am feeling a little bit nostalgic today.
Nostalgic. Ooh, that is a big word for our beginners. What does nostalgic mean?
It means I'm thinking about the past and my memories. You see, one year has just finished and a new year is starting. It's the perfect time for reflection.
I love that. Reflecting means thinking about the good things and the difficult things. So today's topic is looking back at your year.
Let's do it. Justin, when you think about last year, what is the first thing that comes to your mind?
Honestly, I think about how fast the time went. January feels like it was just yesterday. I remember New Year's Day so clearly. I was with my family, eating a big dinner, and suddenly, poof, a whole year passed.
They say time flies when you are busy. Were you very busy?
Oh yes, I worked a lot, I traveled a little bit, and I spent time with friends. What about you, Amelia? Was it a fast year for you?
It's interesting. Some months were slow, like February because it was cold and rainy, but the summer, that was fast. I went to the beach and went hiking. I had so much fun.
That's a great use of the past simple, Amelia. I went, it was. Let's practice more. Tell me one big specific thing you did last year.
Okay, last year I visited my sister in Canada. It was beautiful. We saw mountains and lakes. I even saw a moose.
A moose? Wow! No bears?
No bears, thank goodness. What about you, Justin? What did you do?
I didn't see a moose, but I started a new hobby. I started playing the guitar.
No way! That is fantastic. Are you good at it?
Well, not yet, but I practiced every week. At first, my fingers hurt, but now I can play 3 simple songs. It makes me very happy.
That's amazing. You learned a new skill. Now, Justin, we also have the present perfect tense to talk about the year. This connects the past to our life now. For example, I have learned a lot this year.
Exactly. I can say, I have made new friends, or we have recorded many episodes of Wiwi Talk Pod. The action happened in the past, but the result is important now.
I feel proud of that. We have helped many students. But looking back isn't just about events. It's about changes. How have you changed, Justin?
I think I have become more adventurous with food. Before, I only ate pizza and sandwiches, but this year, I have tried sushi and spicy curry. My stomach was surprised, but I liked it. What about you?
I think I have become calmer. I have practiced yoga for 6 months now, and I feel much better.
That leads me to a deep question, Amelia. What was the biggest lesson you learned last year?
My lesson is about friendship. Last year, I had a very difficult week. My car broke down and I had the flu. My friends brought me soup and took me to the doctor. I realized that good friends are like family. We need people. We cannot be alone.
That is a beautiful lesson. My lesson was a bit different. Rest is productive.
Rest is productive? Explain that.
I used to feel guilty if I sat on the sofa. I thought I always had to be working, but I got exhausted. I learned that when I rest, I work better later. Resting isn't doing nothing, it's preparing to do good work.
I love that. No regrets, just lessons. Even if we made mistakes, if we learned from them, they were good mistakes.
Like my mistakes with the guitar. Amelia, I feel ready for the new year now. I have my lessons, I have my energy, and I'm excited for new adventures.
Me too. And I'm excited for our listeners. If you are listening to this, you have learned more English this year. That is a huge achievement.
Yes, please give yourselves a round of applause. Learning a language takes time, but you are doing it day by day.
Well, Justin, time went fast again. It's time to say goodbye.
It is. But before we go, we have a question for you, our listeners. What was the biggest lesson you learned last year?
Please tell us in the comments. Use the past simple, I learned, or the present perfect, I have decided. We love reading your stories.
Thank you for listening to Wiwi Talk Pod. We appreciate you so much.
Happy New Year, everyone, and keep learning.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Have a great week.